I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Jetta battery. First, gather your essential tools, including a 10 mm wrench, a battery terminal cleaner, and a wire brush. Safety is paramount, so always wear safety glasses and gloves. Before you begin, make sure your Jetta is completely off and the parking brake is firmly engaged. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process for your vehicle. Now let's disconnect the old battery. Start by locating the negative terminal, usually marked with a minus sign. Use your 10 mm wrench to loosen the nut, then carefully remove the negative cable. Always remove the negative cable first to prevent electrical shorts. Next, repeat this process for the positive terminal and its cable. Finally, unfasten any hold-down clamps or straps securing the battery in its tray. With the old battery out, it's time for the new one. First, clean the battery tray and the new battery terminals thoroughly to ensure good contact. Place the new battery securely into the tray, making sure it sits flat. Reattach and tighten any hold-down clamps or straps to prevent movement. Now, connect the positive cable to the positive terminal first, then connect the negative cable to the negative terminal, tightening both nuts firmly. You're almost done. Double-check all your connections to ensure they are tight and secure, and confirm the battery is firmly held in place. Now, start your Jetta to verify that the new battery is functioning correctly and your car powers on without issues. For a fresh ride, check out the link in the description for little trees, black ice, and other great deals. Enjoy your newly powered Jetta and a pleasant driving experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.